Today we're gonna play cat game. Basically, you have to be a cat and you can do different things. I played this game once a few times before, but I haven't played it on my new phone. So let's get started. I really like doing this trampoline thing. It's super cool, and also you can do cool tricks like this. Whoa, going so high. I'm going so high. Whoa. Okay, enough of that. I wonder, do cats like water in this game? Let's see. I guess they do. Ow! Oh, never mind, they don't. Jeez. I wonder what happened with that cat. Okay, let's try again. Ow! Why do I keep getting shot? What is happening? That's weird. What's this? It's like a little lounge area. That's cute. Let's see what this treasure chest is. Ooh, five gold. That's good. That's good. What else should we do? Okay, let's go inside and see what's up inside. Let's see. I'm gonna play a song for you guys. Does it sound good, guys? Does it sound good? Come on, let's go do something else. What should we do next? I wonder if I can steal from the fridge. Oh wait, let's get on this thing. Can we do it? I can. Wait, is that a golden cat? No way, that's crazy. That's so cool, a golden cat. Okay, let's see what's inside the fridge. Okay, let's grab this. I think I'm gonna drink it. Don't let your cats do this at home, guys. I grew giant! I'm a giant cat! This is amazing. Don't let your cat go giant, that would be wrong. Oh no. Isn't this cat likes this water? The sink water? It does, that's the rising. Okay, I'm gonna grab a coconut drink. Good. This is tasty. I guess it didn't do anything. Wait, what does this do? It didn't do anything. Okay, let's keep exploring. This is a cute game though. I've only played this a few times, but it's still adorable. What does this mushroom do? Well, I'm gonna first I just use my claws to scratch. Look at that innocent face. That is adorable. Look at that. Okay, let's see what this mushroom does. What? That's cool. Wait, can I sleep? Can I sleep? Please tell me I can sleep. Yeah. Oh, there's I wanna use my emotes to go to sleep. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. That's adorable. Okay, let's go get on the mushroom again. I don't think I need to see that. I love my new bed. Bounce, 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 bounce. This is such a cute game. I love this game. It's adorable. I love the bathtub. Okay. I don't know where to go now. I'm running out of ideas. So I'm running on glass. That is not safe for a cat. I mean, that probably isn't safe for a cat, but there's nothing I can do about it now. Okay. Let's keep going. This room is cute. I would love this is our bedroom. It's actually very adorable. Okay, let's keep. Oh, that thing's terrifying. That cat is giant too. Okay, she's normal. Guys, do you think I can get in the washing machine? I don't think I want to. I'm gonna get all your clothes dirty with cat hair. Let's keep looking for new stuff to look at. What's this room? I don't think I've ever seen this room before. Ooh, there's ice cream. Let's see if the ice cream goes to me. Nom 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 nom. Yummy. Yummy. That's cute. Mmm. Tasty. I'm gonna go check out this place over here. What's this button do? What? Whoa! Look at the cats! That one's so chubby. I want to dance with them. You can't tell us apart. Look, guys. Hang on. I'm gonna. No. Guys, which one is me? I know which one is me, but look at how cute I look with all the other dancing cats. I'm gonna dance with them. I'm gonna do this. That like emote dance. That's cute. These dances are adorable. This cat. I can't believe these cats are so talented. Wait, there's a button that says fly. What does this do? Whoa! Oh my god. Oh my god, my tail is making me fly. Helicopter, 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 helicopter. That's so cool. Okay. I'm gonna make this elevator go down so I can. I'm gonna go to a different place now. Wait, did I explore this room? Yeah, I did. Let's keep going. Okay. Let's get in this cannon. Oh no, a kitty's gonna get light on fire. Whoa! Ow. That looks pretty painful. Wait, is this an obby? I like obbies. I love obbies. I told you guys in my last video I'm pretty bad at obbies. This is an obby I'm actually good at. Jump, jump. Yay, got coins, and I also got a gold cat. Or the cat just was random and then you popped out of nowhere. I'm scared to fall. I'm so scared because if I fall, it's gonna be all over for me. I don't want it to be all over. Okay, just keep jumping. Okay. Whoa, that cat is crazy looking. Whoa. Okay. Just keep jumping. No. Oh dang, I fell. At least I didn't fall to the bottom. I just fell down here. That's not the worst, right, guys? Okay. Let's go jump for the fire again. We got burnt cat. Burnt cats for dinner. I don't want to be a burnt cat, so let's just keep going and not get the burnt cat. Okay. Now I actually fell. Told you guys I'm not great at obbies. Let's try something else. Can I climb this? Can I climb this? I can. I can climb. Oh. That is crazy. Wait, this is like a school. It says kitten school. Oh, this is so cute. Welcome to school. Today we are going to be learning about how to fly with our, fly with our tails. Basically how you do it is you first lift up your tail, start swinging it round and round, and you'll do this. Now every student do this. Oh, I forgot no students are here. Guess there's no school today. Oh well. Ooh, little cute playground area. Let's get up here. I wanna go down the slide. Oh, that was a graceful landing. It's full landing. Let's keep going. Wait, where's this? Why? Awakening the wizard? Is the wizard bad or good? I don't know. I've never done this part before. Okay, I'll just wait for the wizard to be done. I don't know if he's bad or evil, but I really hope he's good. Because I don't want to be struck by lightning or anything by a wizard. So, let's see. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He's alive and he's sparking fire in his eyes. What? What in the world? Whoa. It brought the parkour back to life? That's so cool. I'm gonna try parkour out one more time because I can. Let's see if I do any better this time instead of falling. Okay, just jump, jump, jump! Almost fell off the edge again. Phew, didn't fall off the edge. That's good. Okay, now this part was a little tricky. Just keep jumping up here, and here, and here, and there, and there. You guys don't have to jump on that platform if you're good enough. You can just jump to that platform instead. But it depends how good you are. Okay. And then just the moving squares. It looks like slimes from slime blocks from Minecraft. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Oh, I bounced to the ground. Dang. Okay. Let's try something else. Wait, what? Can I go in this ocean? Can I? I'm riding a dolphin. No way. That's so cool. Okay, jump. I can literally jump on a dolphin. Woo! This is so cool. Let's go to this here. It's like, oh, this is so cute, like a little T-bar thing. Nom nom nom. It looks so good. What are these? Can I drink them? Am I knocking them over? No way, that's so cute. Sorry, whoever owned this shop, I'm knocking over all your potions now. I'm sorry. Okay, what's this potion? I can drink this one, I think. Oh, I'm tiny! I'm tiny! I'm a tiny cat. Oh, that's adorable! Oh, I thought I was gonna stay small forever. Is there any other islands? Dang, I thought there was more islands. I guess that's it, because there's no more islands to explore. Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe, and goodbye.